Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your smart TV actually supports Wi-Fi. Open Settings and go to Network. This tells you the available options. Next, gather the router SSID and exact password so you can type them without guessing. Mistyped characters are the most common failure. Once done, make sure the TV sits within a good signal area, ideally in the same room or one wall away, because distance and obstacles directly affect connection reliability. You now navigate the TV's network or connection menu and choose Set up wireless connection. This begins the scan for SSIDs and shows available networks. Select your router name, carefully type the password using the on-screen keyboard, and press Connect. Watch for success confirmation. If you prefer a quicker method and your router supports WPS, press the router's WPS button, then the TV's WPS option. But avoid WPS if you require higher security or the feature is disabled on your router. You finish by verifying the connection. Stream a short clip or run the TV's network diagnostic to confirm speed and stability. If it fails, power cycle the router and TV, unplug each for 30 seconds, then retry, because caches and transient errors often clear with a restart. If problems persist, plug an Ethernet cable to rule out Wi-Fi issues, and only reset network settings as a last resort. You'll lose saved networks and may need to re-log into apps afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.